Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride on the recorder. Start with the fundamental notes for Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride on your recorder. We'll focus on B, A, and G, which form the core of the main melody. Proper finger placement is crucial for clear sound. Ensure your left hand covers the top holes for B, then add the first right hand finger for A and the second for G. Practice transitioning smoothly between these three notes to build muscle memory. Now let's tackle the main melodic phrase. It typically starts with B, A, G, A, B, B, B. Pay close attention to the rhythm, ensuring each note holds its correct duration. The first B is often held for 2 beats, followed by quicker notes. Practice this sequence slowly at first, then gradually increase your tempo. Repetition is key to achieving precision and a fluid sound. To enrich the melody, we'll introduce a few more notes, such as high D and E. These notes add a brighter quality to certain sections of the song. Experiment with simple dynamics, playing some phrases slightly louder or softer to add expression. Remember to maintain consistent breath support throughout, which is vital for producing a clear and sustained tone on your recorder. Consistent practice is essential for mastering this tune. Aim for several short, focused sessions each week rather than one long one. Listening to the original Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride will help you internalize the rhythm and feel. Once you feel comfortable with the individual phrases, try playing the entire piece from beginning to end, enjoying your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.